Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to create parcels from object in Civil 3D. It's very important to learn subdivision workflow in Civil 3D. So the create parcels from object tools allow you to create parcel by choosing AutoCAD entities in your drawing or in a reference drawing. So in a typical workflow, it's common to encounter a boundary created by AutoCAD entities such as polylines, lines, and arcs. When we are using AutoCAD geometry to create parcels, it's important that the geometry is created carefully and that it meets certain requirements. The AutoCAD geometry must be lines or polylines, 3D polylines or polygons. So it can't include box, ellipses, circles or other entities. Civil 3D may allows you to pick objects with an elevation other than 0, but you will find you get better result if you flatten the objects so all objects have an elevation of 0. Sometimes the geometry appears sound when elevation is applied, but you may notice that this is not the case once the objects are flattened. Flattening all objects before creating parcels can help you prevent frustration when creating parcels. So in this exercise, I will teach you how to create a parcel from Civil 3D objects, which is really important for land subdivisions. First of all, you can download this drawing from the description link, and when you will open this drawing, you will see a boundary. Then you can see we have some alignments in the drawing which were created to use no side, and one closed polyline also representing a boundary. Your boundary could also be composed of multiple lines and arcs, but for this example I already defined the boundary as polyline. So on the home tab here, create design panel, select parcel and create parcel from object. Add the select line, arcs or polyline to convert into parcels. Just select polyline that represent the side boundary and press enter. The create parcel from object dialog box will appear. From the drop down menu, select subdivision lots, property as a parcel style, and names square meter as a parcel label style. So leave everything else set to the default and check to make sure that the erase entities box is selected. Okay, this means that the polyline you selected as a boundary will be deleted upon parcel creation. Now click OK to dismiss the dialog box. You will notice that a parcel for the boundary has been created. Okay, now go back to the prospector and expand alignments collection. You will notice that all the alignments in the drawing are grouped under the centerline alignments category here. So right click that category and here and select move to site option. Since you have only one site in the drawing, you will be presented with only one option here under the destination site. Leave the selection of the alignments as displays and click OK. On a side note, you can also select them in the prospector individually or on the screen, and then from the context menu select the move to site option. Now you will notice that on the transferring the alignments object on the site that has the parcels. These objects interact with the parcel objects, further dividing the initial parcel into 6 parcels, which you can see in your drawing. So this is how move to site option work. And it's the importance of sites creation in parcels, subdivision, lots. The boundary polyline from parcel segments that reacts the alignment. Area label also shows the area for each parcels. Hope you like this video. For this type of important Civil 3D technical videos, please stay with us.